All right, I wanted to explore a very simple acoustic rhythm thing. It's kind of a bounce rhythm, I call it, and I do it both with a pick or with my finger style. Today I gave a little short one with the pick, so I'm going to do it just with my finger style, which is my preference. But I just wanted to sort of take that apart for you and give you an insight on how to do it. So it basically has a little walk up with an open E, E2, and then land on your G chord. So what that would sound like in slow motion is sort of like this. Now you can hit that G any way you want. I'm hitting a third fret on the B. I like the sound of that, but you could also do just a regular G. That's fine too. And then I'm gonna lead. These are called target notes. I call these target notes. There's your root, your G. And then I'm going to hit the open D string followed by a D chord. Got it? And then an open A string followed by an A minor chord. And then repeat that walk up. So here it is in very slow motion. Got it? One more time. Now, I know that sounds simplistic, and it is simple in some ways, but what's cool about it, and this is the important part, is to make this rhythm, and I'm doing the chords to many songs, Knockin' on Heaven's Door being one of them, but I'm kind of doing a Neil Young groove on it with whether I mute it, I can mute it, and that's an option, and then just, palm muting with my right hand. If you want to do it with a pick, it's going to sound like... I also like, and you also have an option of playing an A minor or lifting up that third finger and having an A minor seventh, which is also a nice voicing. So you have a couple options there. You can play this G, the big cowboy G, we're all used to that by now, or regular G. It's going to change your fingering a little bit because you can't do this with the pinky. Well, you can do this and not even worry about the high E. But all those are just, options you can do. So once again, I'm going to go through it, and then I'm going to show you where you can go with that. And if you like this type of thing, hit me up at jimmydillon.com because I got a ton of lessons that deal with this. So I call this sort of a bounce rhythm. It kind of got a little bounce to a little lilt to it. Feeling that? Sing along. And that's basically the exercise. Something you can just sit around if you watch TV or whatever and just practice getting that rhythm to really bounce. And I think, we've heard this before, like a Neil Young song. You know how he does that? He'll mute with his right hand and come down hard on the low strings. And it just gives you that kind of bouncy rhythm, almost like a drummer would do, right? So now I'm gonna walk it out for you like I like to do, and I'm going to embellish it a little bit just to keep you coming back for more. And because I cover this a lot at all my different acoustic products. I mean, some of them are free, some of them you can get a whole course on it. So here it goes. Pretty basic, right? Okay, now I'm gonna A minor 7. And you can stagger the walk up. You can do it like this. That's a little different than... especially in the body of the song. I think the intro would be like, yeah. And if you want a little lick, I covered that in detail on many of my acoustic courses. Not the one I'm thinking of is Easy Strum. I think we do that. So here we go. I'm going to just do it through a few times and probably embellish it a little bit, see what happens. Mama, take those guns away from me. Kick it in. I can't use them anymore. And so on. So that's just a little kind of a version of Knockin' on Heaven's Door, a great Bob Dylan song, covered by everybody from the Dead to you name it. Great little jam song though, you know, 3 chords, right? 3 chords in the truth. G, D, A minor, and then back to G. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and you know, let me know. Hit me up at jimmydillon.com. Give me some comments. I'd love to hear what you're thinking.